Have you ever thought about how for those tiny, invisible particles travel when someone coughs or sneezes? It is truly amazing how quickly microscopic droplets can move through the air around us, carrying all sorts of things. When someone with active tuberculosis, or TB, coughs, sneezes, speaks, or sings, they releases tiny TB germs into the air in microscopic droplets. These droplets can float in the air for hours, and if another person inhales them, they can become infected. The key to understanding TB spread lies in the unique nature of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. These bacteria are so small they can remain just suspended in the air within aerosolized droplets after a person with active lung TB expels them. Unlike larger droplets that quickly fall to the ground, these much smaller particles can be inhaled deep into the lungs of another person. This is why ventilation is so important in preventing the spread of the disease, because good airflow helps disperse these infectious particles. The germs are not spread by shaking hands, sharing food or drink, touching toilet seats, or sharing toothbrushes. So, what does this mean for preventing TB spread? If you have an active TB infection, it is crucial to cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze, ideally with a tissue that you then dispose of safely. Wearing a mask, especially in shared spaces, can also significantly reduce the number of germs you releases into the air. For those around an infected person, maintaining good ventilation and avoiding prolonged close contact in enclosed spaces are important protective measures. These tiny infectious particles are often referred to by experts as droplet nuclei, emphasizing their microscopic size and ability to stay airborne. It is fascinating to know that even if you inhale these germs, your immune system might wall them off, leading to latent TB infection, where the bacteria are present but not actively causing disease or spreading. This is different from active TB disease, where the bacteria multiply and cause symptoms, making you infectious. Understanding that active TB primarily spreads through these airborne microscopic cough droplets empowers us to take simple, effective steps for prevention and protection. By being mindful of respiratory hygiene and environmental ventilation, we can all contribute to limiting the transmission of this serious yet treatable disease, safeguarding our health and the well-being of our communities.